Yes, children, let us come to the next topic under stereoisomerism, that is geometrical isomerism. Now say for example, M is the metal or the metal ion which is surrounded by 4 different ligands A, B, C and D. Okay, and since there are 4 different ligands, we are assuming this to be a square planar complex, and a square planar complex can be written like this. M is surrounded by A, B, C and D. Now what I have done, keeping the position of A as a fixed one, I am going to rotate the position of B, C and D. So what I have done, I brought B here, C here and D there. That's what I've got. Then in the next position what I have done, C, D, B. Is it not? B was here and then here. Simultaneously C and D are also changed. But I have kept the position of A same. Now what I am going to do, with respect to A and B, which of them are cis and which of them are trans, we are going to see. Now you know cis and trans, you have studied in 11th class itself. If like groups are there on the same plane, it is cis. If unlike groups are on the same plane, it is trans. So here supposing if I take A and B are there on the same plane. A and B are there in 2 different planes. A and B are in the same plane. Supposing if I make the plane here, then AB belongs to the same plane. If I make the plane here, then AB belongs to same plane. But whether I put it this way or this way, A and B are in 2 different planes. Okay, so this is trans, whereas these two are cis with respect to A and B. Now for that matter, you take any two for that matter, B and C low, yeah, C and D low, whatever you take, you will find that there will be 2 cis and 1 trans. Say for example, let us take B and C. This is in the same plane. Again B and C. This is in the same plane, but B and C in opposite plane. So this is trans. These two are cis with respect to B and C. This is trans with respect to B and C. Okay. So this is what you have to remember. So remember that with respect to any 2 ligands, you will find 2 cis isomers and 1 trans isomer formed. Now let's go to the next one. It is of the type M, A2, B2. That is, A and B are 2 different ligands. A is 2 in number, B is also 2 in number. Again, it's a square planar complex. Say for example, PT, NH3 twice, Cl2. Now both the NH3s are in the same plane, so it is cis. And the 2 NH3s are in opposite planes, so it is trans. Now this is with respect to coordination number 4. Now if you take coordination number 6, A4B2 or A2B4, whatever it is, say of this kind. Now here, both the Cl atoms are present on the same plane, so this is cis. Whereas, if you put one Cl above the plane and one Cl below the plane, then it is trans. Now with respect to NH3, it is cis. Here also it is cis. But here it is cis with respect to both the type of ligands. But here only with respect to this, they are all in the same plane. So with respect to NH3, you can say it is cis. But with respect to another, it is trans. So you will call it as trans only. Now if you are having a complex of the kind M, AA2B2. Now what is this AA2? It is a bidentate ligand. Say for example, CO, En twice, Cl2. Now how do you write? Now here, bidentate, when I say each ligand is having 2 donor atoms and 2 such ligands will have 4 donor atoms and plus 2B. So a total of 6 is the coordination number. Now 6 is the coordination number means the geometry will be octahedral. Now how do you make the octahedral? You know it already, right? Now here I have taken En, that is ethylene diamine, which is a bidentate ligand. Now how do you attach that? Through 2 corners. You know how to make an octahedral, like this, like this. Now occupy the 2 corners of an octahedron by the donor atoms of this ethylene diamine. So NH2, CH2, CH2, NH2. So this donor atom is connected from this corner and this donor atom is connected from this corner. It is a single molecule. So 2 corners are occupied. Same way 2 more corners are also occupied and 2 Cl atoms at adjacent positions. So this is cis. Whereas if both the Cl atoms are in opposite planes and both the ethylene diamines are there here, then this is also opposite to each other, this is also opposite to each other, so you will find trans isomer. So in short, you can also put it like this. Trans isomer can be drawn like this and cis isomer can be drawn like this. You attach the 2 corners and write En, right? So basically you should know that you draw the figure like this. So once you do, then these 2 corners, then these 2 corners and these 2 corners. Like this you have to make it. You have to be very clear. Or it may be these 2 and one above and one below, like this. Now if you are having of the type Ma2Bc, 2 of the same kind and 2 are different. So Pt, NH3, Cl, Py twice. Py is nothing but pyridine. Pyridine में donor atom जो है वो nitrogen है. So here 2 pyridine molecules are there. They are attached through 2 different corners, NH3 and Cl. So these 2 are in the same plane, so it is cis. Whereas if these 2 are in opposite planes, then it is called as trans, right? Now come to the next type of isomerism. We saw about cis-trans. Now we are going to see FAC-MER, facial meridional geometrical isomerism. Now this is only for octahedral complexes of the type Ma3B3. Only 2 types of ligands should be there and they should be equal in number, and it is only for octahedral complexes. That is, coordination number should be 6. So now here you can take anything for that matter. Say CO, NH3 thrice, Cl3. So this is a neutral complex. Okay. Now this is of the type A3B3. Now let A be anything, B be anything. Now here what you find in this particular case, see, this is a meridian, the line joining through the center metal. This is again a meridian. This is again a meridian. Okay. Now if the ligands of the same type are at the corners of a single meridian, say this is a meridian, you are having B, B, both are of the same kind, and another you may attach here. You may attach here or you may also attach here, but it should occupy one meridian. 2 of them should occupy a meridian. Same way AA, then the third one can be here. Right? So it can be B, B, B here also and A here also, like that. Anyway you can manage. So that is meridional isomer, MER isomer. Then the other one is called as facial isomer. Now when you have an octahedron, And when the same type of ligands are occupying the corners of a single face, then it is called as facial isomer, like 1, 2, 3. These three corners, they are attached to the center at the top. It is something like you are having like this, and it is attached like this, right? So that is FAC isomer. Same way B, B, B. This is attached to the bottom, and this is attached at the top. So this is called as facial isomer or FAC isomer, and this is called as MER isomer.